value so much our bilateral cooperation with Madagascar, and I was so pleased to be able to travel today with our colleagues from the Presidency's Office and the Ministry of Energy. The U.S. government, through USAID, is proud to kick off a new cycle of assistance and cooperation with two recently announced resilience and food security programs, the Vakina and the ireo. These two programs are aligned with the goals of Madagascar, which is to increase resiliency and food security. And they will focus on more than 88,000 marginalized households over the next 5 years in the Grand Sud and the southeast of Madagascar. And we've already committed $22 million for 2024 and 2025 for this program. These are just the latest in the many bilateral programs that we have done over the 40 years of cooperation between USAID and Madagascar. And since 2018 alone, USAID has committed more than $394 million to assist 1.5 million people in the Malagasy citizens in the south and the southeast with food aid and agricultural assistance. And today we visited 3 of our projects in the south with our colleagues. The first was a project that was designed to help transfer access to land to women. So we met with the village chief who is transferring his land to his daughters, and there are others doing the same. And we saw how when women have access to their own land, their well-being and the well-being of their families increases. And we met an amazing young woman, young entrepreneur who started her own honey business, the Rucher de Pagalan. And she's helping her community, other farmers, to increase their production and their income with her business. And we're excited to continue working with these communities through the new Feed the Future programs, which will move them beyond food security to thriving local economies. And in this way, we want to help work to a comprehensive approach to reduce poverty, hunger, and malnutrition in those areas. And lastly, we visited a very exciting program which is bringing electricity to communities in the southeast. We all know that access to electricity is really vital to increase economic participation. So today we visited our very first solar power hub, which was supported by Power Africa, activity called Empowering Southern Africa. And this hub brings solar electricity to the community and allows them to operate machinery, to mill their grain, to sew clothes, to deliver essential services to the communities. It's just an amazing, amazing center. So this hub is empowering women and men to increase their economic activity, whether it's sewing, whether it's milling their grain, whether it's through welding equipment and maintenance to do things such as bicycle repairs and storage and phone charging and solar lights. It does a little bit of everything for this community. So I hope that that pilot program really serves as an example of the type of projects that we can do together that will bring electricity and power to impoverished rural areas. So thank you for listening. I just want to say that these examples really demonstrate the real impact of our work when we work together and we cooperate on to address the priorities of Madagascar.